Go up there. Just look at this one. Say hi to this one. She's chasing a bug.
Say hi, Tilly.
That one's Tilly.
I want to feed him.
Oh, look at those hair.
I want to feed him.
All right, go ahead. Say pretty girls, pretty ladies. Here they come. They're coming to you.
Throw it on the ground.
Throw it down there for them. You gotta throw it down there. Did they get it? Give Hazel one.
That's all right. Throw a couple down. They're gonna get her.
Why don't we take them over to the chicken coop and put them inside there, and they'll all come over with us.
Yeah.
Go over there and put them in the chicken coop, and they'll come over to you.
Come on, pretty ladies.
Call them.
No, I want to feed him.
Yeah, we're gonna feed them over here.